Hey all, for this video what we're going to be doing is Unit 2, Week 2 Decision Making. So the first thing you're all going to do, as always, is you're going to create a Google Doc and you're going to label it, well, Unit 2, Week 2. All the assignments on this particular lesson right here are going to be on one Google Doc, so make sure you keep all of them on one Google Doc. All right, so let's go ahead and run through the PowerPoint presentation real quick for it. So for this unit, we were giving this information by the county. So it is Unit 2, Week 2, and it's a Zello lesson, decision making. So you already covered this in your Zello assignment. Next thing is going to be so learning goals. What do we want y'all to take away from this? The first thing we want y'all to do is to be able to define decision-making processes. So what are the decision-making processes and what skills do you need in order to do that? So go ahead and we'll go ahead and we'll cover that. Next is going to be students will track their lesson completion on their Zello tracking. So don't worry about that part. All right, let's move on to the next slide. So the essential question, one of the driving questions for this assignment is how do I think and behave? So, keep that in the back of your mind when you are running through this lesson with me is, how do you think and behave? What drives your thoughts and what drives your behaviors? Next question is going to be, or the next slide is going to be the bell ringer. So there's three questions that it wants you to, the assignment wants you to reflect on, and that's going to come to your assignment number 1. So what you're going to do is you're going to watch the video right here. You're going to click on the link and watch the video, and then you're going to respond to these three questions right here. What decisions do I make in your life right now? What decisions are made for me, and how will these decisions change over time? So make sure to reflect on these questions. Use some examples from the video if you want, but that is your first assignment. The next thing for a class discussion, or in this instance for your Google Doc, is going to be focused on what are some different strategies for decision making. That comes to your lesson 2. For lesson 2, I want you to watch the first video here about Cookie Monster, and then what you're going to do is you're going to watch the second video. Sorry about that. All right, so watch a video about the Cookie Monster, and then tell me how could a Cookie Monster have made a better decision. And then what you're all going to do is going to watch a second video right here, and then you're going to tell me about some different decision-making strategies. All right, next slide, what you're going to do, next slide is a real good video about decision-making skills, and that's going to lead to your assignments number, that's going to actually be assignment number 4. So for assignment number 3, watch this video right here. It's an interesting take on the impact of our decisions. So answer these questions. And then the next assignment goes to that video, which is right here, decision-making skills. For the decision-making skill video, again, we've got 3 questions that are aligned with that video. Make sure to watch the video and respond accordingly there. And next is going to be your vocabulary words, just like what we had in the other lesson. You do have 8 vocabulary words right here. I'm asking y'all to go ahead and choose 3 vocabulary words to find them, and then tell me, find a website that has the definition and provide me with a link to that website. Next is going to be, this right here is actually going to be a wrap-up. So the wrap-up is going to be going back to Zello. So what y'all are going to do finally is you're going to go back to Zello. And so for assignment number 6, you're going to go to Zello. You're going to go to decision making. You're going to go to, give me just one second here. Sorry about that, guys. All right. All right, sorry about that, guys. So for the assignment number 6, first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Zello, specifically the decision making, and you're going to submit a screenshot of your number 1 abandoned Earth choices. And once you go ahead and submit that screenshot, you're then going to answer these 2 questions. And the way that you're going to get that screenshot is you're going to go to your Zello, and you're going to look for decision making, and then you're going to scroll down to where it says number 1, abandoned Earth, and then you're going to go ahead and you're going to give me a screenshot of these 6 selections. All right. Once you take your screenshot of those selections, you're going to paste it into your Google Doc, and then you're going to answer these 2 questions right here. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. I didn't go too fast, and yeah, have fun with it.